So guys, for the first step, make sure that you're signed into an administrator account. Now once you've done that, for the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in local security policy. Click on it. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, we're going to expand local policies. And now we're going to click on user rights assignment. And now this will appear on the right side. And now we're going to click on change the time zone. And now once we're on this, we're going to click on add user or group. Now we're going to click on object types. And you're going to select groups. You're going to tick this box and then click on OK. And now we're going to click on advanced. And now you're going to click on find now. We should now be seeing all of this right here. And now once we're here, we're just going to scroll down till we find users. Here it is. You're going to click on users and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. Users should now appear for you in this list right here. You want to select users and then click on OK. It should now allow you to change the time zone. So for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once we're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. And it should now fully sync your date and time. That's how you do it.